What's going on? What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Mr. MMO, Mr. MMC. Just want to get straight to it. I'm here to talk about PTC, pay to click ads, advertisement, and didn't want to just promote, advertise, and not let you know that I actually do click myself. Um, I click advertisement myself also, not just bringing in referrals under me to click and make me money. Like some of your other gurus or so-called gurus, whatever you want to call them. Unlike some others, I do come in and grind, but I have referrals. My referrals just got back at it, got active. It's a whole new year. It's 2022. I was gonna say 2021, but 2022, and it's time to just to be honest. Yeah, you have other things to focus on besides yourself, but it's more so time to focus on those things that you've been focusing on, but focus on yourself even more. Um, and no matter what lane that is, that could be for internet purpose, meaning like the online YouTube type niche, or it could just be personal stuff that's not dealing with anything about anything, just something personal. But just whatever you love to do, focus on it. Hopefully it's positive. More of a positive high vibration. You hear me? I don't want to talk y'all to death, but just want to let y'all know, whatever you want to do, cherish it. I told myself I'm going to try to go crazy and grind. Not crazy in a sense where I'm just not thinking and I'm just making a big chaotic mess in the world. I mean, go crazy in a good way, like grind, push, do stuff I didn't do last year. And I'm speaking for myself as far as the online world, you hear me? Try to make a video every day, don't stop, stuff like that. And that's what I'm gonna be doing, man. Just push. So even when I don't want to do it, like right now, I don't think I even really want to do this video, to be honest with you. But I push. I say, I'm gonna do something different. Just something within me. You just told me to go do it. I'm even talking kind of a little different. You hear me? So when I mean that, I mean like the vibe is different. I'm matured, you know what I'm saying, in this online field and just in life, But to get back into it, just wanted to let you know that, I do got referrals. You know what I'm saying? They can't really see it that good. This phone ain't the best camera. But just letting you know. So. But we here to make that money. So what we'll do is we'll come here. We'll click the ad like this. It'll look like that. Advertisement will pop up. As you can see, you see the seconds going down. Boom. Follow everything it say. So it say tap the breaker. Boom. Right there. Say thank you. Your ad view was recorded successfully, exclamation. So now we're able to go back and figure out if they have some more. Find out if they got some more. Figure out, oh dang, we figured out. There we go. Boom. So as you can see, somebody promoting the advertisement or ad. Wait till the countdown go down. And then boom, bada boom, bada bang, bada bing, boom, boom, pang, all that, whatever you want to say, And boom, and boom, and boom, and doom, and all that, whatever. I'm just saying stuff now, though, but let's get back on task. That's exactly what we do. That's how we make our money with cryptocurrency. I want to say you got Bitcoin, Dash, not like DoorDash, but Dash, the currency, Bitcoin, I want to say Ethereum, and then Litecoin. If not Ethereum, something else though. But it's basically what we do. We get paid to click. There's other ways to get paid to click with this opportunity, website/app, but it's the main way. So, and boom, find the match. Here we go, bingo. And that's all we doing. That's how we get paid. That's how we make our money. That's how I make my money. That's how you'll make your money. If you want to join, if you're going to join, if you will join, sign up. Have a link below the description. And I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's easy money. You're not really thinking, you just clicking. And I mean, only hard work is actually putting work in. Some people don't even want to put the work in of doing this because they feel like it's not worth anything. It's a few pennies. But if your mind think like that, well, it'll be a few pennies. I done made more than a few pennies with these so-called few pennies apps, websites. So my mind wasn't thinking like I'm gonna just make a few pennies because somebody else told me that. Well, if somebody else told me that and they're not gonna put the work in for me, of course I'm not gonna succeed. Of course I'm not gonna make $1. Of course I might not see 15,000 every day. I don't care if it was $15 every day, $15 or $20 or $10 or $1. You hear me? So that's basically what we're doing. Letting them seconds go down. 4 seconds, 5, 4 seconds go up. It's going up to about 10 seconds every time you click. So these are all the ways you can cash out. So Litecoin is LTC, Dash, Dodge, Doge, or Doge, or whatever you want to say in Bitcoin. It's not even Ethereum. And then you can deposit if you want to where I'm at. I like this because it shows you the coins of like, how people of this opportunity want to show you far as like to get coins and stuff. And then it show you in Bitcoins and then it show you in USD. So you won't be confused on, oh, well, I got 65,000 coins. I don't know what that's equivalent to. And then if you got it in Bitcoin, you don't know what that's equivalent to. You can see. But for some reason, this phone is not the best. So if you can't really see that, that's 658 right now. So, and I'll be making another video here about this opportunity soon. I might make one later today just to show you where I'm at. And hopefully I have a better recording phone, man. This phone sucks. So just wanted to let you know. Get paid from PTC ads using your phone or website. So you can use your tablet, laptop, MacBook, iOS, Android, all that good stuff. So it's your boy, Mr. M O, Mr. MC. Let's get it. Let's go.